Hello everyone. I wanted to do a quick walkthrough and show you um, some other options for websites and also portfolio creation. So you can use, I'm going to talk a little bit about Adobe Spark page. Um, there's actually it's a group of three free apps that Adobe came out with a couple years ago. Adobe Spark suite, if you will, and not only are they available on your laptop, your desktop computer, but also your phone, any mobile device. Um, so I'm just going to log in, and once you log in to a free account, this is what will come up if you're doing Adobe Spark. And there is the three different applications are Spark Page, Spark Post, and the third is a video application. So which is sort of a scaled down version of their more elaborate video editing software. So I do primarily most of, when I'm using Adobe, if I'm not using Photoshop or Acrobat, I spend a lot of time on Spark Page and Post. So I'm going to just click projects. I have two different accounts, so this is the sort of scaled down one, and I'm going to show you a page that I created on my phone. This was the very first Spark page that I did right here. And I already have it open in this other tab. So if I open that, so when Adobe Spark page came out, I downloaded the mobile version first and wanted to see what I could do in less than, in like 2 or 3 minutes. So, and only using my phone. So this is what I created in Spark page using my phone, and only my phone. For text, you can use photographs, written text, you can embed videos. I usually do calendars for my neighbors for Christmas, and I, run around and take photographs of the animals and the flowers and my garden and the food that we share among us, the creek, yeah. And then, so lots of photographs. I take a lot of pictures, like a lot of you, on my phone, but you can also do lots of other things. You can, embed videos, for example, and sound. So that's a nice, and they have lots of templates. If you were to create something from scratch, you could pick and choose from a number of different templates. If you use the desktop version, you can swap things out, if you will. You can use one of their templates. I'm going to click Explore Templates, and you can swap out, format, color scheme, images, text, everything that you see you can rearrange. You can leave it there. So of course there are, like any other website application, there are premium versions, but there are quite a lot of nice free templates that I find really nice, and that I've used for other things. So if you the banner at the top of our for our class, I created that in Adobe Spark Post, and you can even search by type of product. So a social post, a card. Let me go back down here. You want to make Christmas cards or greeting cards or whatever. There we go. So there's a card with my son. I think that's Saturn. Is that Saturn 5? I think that's Saturn 5. I could change this format, and I can change the color scheme. So any number of things. It's yeah, it's nice. It's a really and it works just as well on the phone. I can also you can download anything and everything and send it anywhere you want. If you create a new project, you can actually search for copyright-free images directly from this window. So you don't have to leave and go search the internet for graphics. Everything is really self-contained on the desktop version, and and the mobile versions are expanding by the second. So I will do a quick walkthrough of Adobe Spark Post, and I'll create something brand new just so that you can see how to create a banner or something else that you might want to use in a slideshow or a presentation. So through Adobe Spark Post. So that's this is a nice overview of this suite and what's available, but you'll see more in my next video. All right, have a great morning.